Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aprilia Widiawati. You can call me April. I was born on 25th of April 2003. I am 18 years old. I am from Awi. I am studying at the State Islamic University of Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang from the Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Science and Technology. I will explain about the Our Earth is One and wastewater treatment plant. Our Earth is one. Water, if it follows the law of conservation of mass, it does not go anywhere. The water we use now is inherited water from ancient times. The water we drink is inherited water and also what we will inherit. We must also think about the quality of the water. The quality of water from generation to generation decreases. Then water treatment becomes mandatory, and if not, it will lead to disaster. The air cycle is air circulation that never stops from the atmosphere to the earth and returns to the atmosphere through the process of condensation, precipitation, evaporation, transpiration, and infiltration. The first process is evaporation. Evaporation is the process by which water in the sea swims and river evaporates due to sunlight. And then transpiration. Transpiration, this process is almost the same as the evaporation process. It's just that the evaporation process occurs in the tissues of living things. Condensation. Condensation is the process by which water vapor in the atmosphere change into very small ice particles at low temperature. And then precipitation. Precipitation is when a lot of water is condensed. The water droplets in the clouds will become large and heavy to hold in the air so that they fall into rain. And then infiltration. Infiltration is the process of seeping water into the ground. Factors that affect the sustainability of the water cycle. That is sunlight, air temperature, wind direction, and humidity. The next threshold was treatment process include the water is pumped by air, then filtered to remove unwanted impurities so as not to interfere with the flow of water in the pipe, then balance tanks are balanced in composition and volume, so that the treatment can be carried out uniformly, then give a microbial bioreactor. Then enter the clarifier process. Then the sediment is collected and dried. Then the water that has been separated from the sediment is given a disinfectant at the end so that the microbes do not die and the water produced is clear. Then the last step is testing. Then the next material is about the wastewater treatment plant. Waste is polluted water. Polluted water is not allowed to be directly discharged into the environment but must be treated. Waste from its processing industry is increasingly complex because the composition in it is getting heavier to be disposed of in the environment and the levels are getting higher. Pumping air into the water will change the organic and inorganic components. For inorganic component can form oxides, while organic component can be decomposed by microbes with aerobic aeration. Wastewater treatment stage. This is inlet, filtering, equalization, uniformity, cooling, biological aeration, clarifier, deposition, sun filter, lagoon and control, water meter, and outlet. Inlet water enter the treatment process and then filtering. Coarse or large was so as not to interfere with the next process. Equalization accommodate excessive amounts of waste. It means that in a production process, from morning to evening or until the next day, it is not always the same. The export liquid, the liquid by quality or character in it, or the composition therein or by volume. In other language, equalization is balance. The meaning is balance both the volume and character of the waste. The purpose of the character of the waste is the composition of the waste so that it is uniform. And then uniformity. Then enter into the uniform pool. Actually, the equalization pool is combined with the uniform pool. This may be distinguished because the volume of liquid waste generated is quite large, so it is separated. The next, cooling. Then cool in the cooling pool. Just let it cool here. The next, biological aeration. Then enters the biological aeration point. Here is usually a decomposing microbes. This aeration point delivers the waste liquid with oxygen so that it is easily decomposed and easily degraded. In biological aeration point also use sunlight to help the degradation process. Waste from organic compounds will be decomposed by microbes, and so will inorganic will experience simplification or experience precipitation. Clarifier. After that it is brought in the clarifier point, which is to purify. After the biological aeration has just been clarified. Why is the clarifier not done before the biological aeration is done? Because indeed the condition will be difficult to separate, but after being described at the end using an aerator. Usually, the aeration point will appear to be foamy and turbulent because there is indeed air that is pumped into the aeration pool using an aerator. The clarifier will separate the sediment and water. The next deposition. After it enters the setting point, here it will be more deposit between the solid and the liquid. Sun filter. After it is taken to the sun filter. We need a sun filter because in the sun filter usually an absorption event occurs or then there is a replacement of ions that are not well bound to the sun that the release of ions. Filter sun is mostly an absorption event. The conditions that enter the sun filter are conditions that are already clear, and there should be no liquid waste that is still cloudy. The next, organ and control. Then go in the icon and control. Usually a large pond and use tilapia as an indicator. If the tilapia is alive, then the water condition is still good and has been treated. The next, water meter. Next is the water meter, or the term referred to in this industry, meaning that the water here is analyzed and then its character is visible to be disposed of or not. And next step is outlet. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.